Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Hyundai Avante CN7 Elite Spec. One owner only, and the condition is simply immaculate. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. There is a reason why Hyundai Avante CN7 are so popular. I mean, just look at this design. It is so modern, futuristic, and so distinctive. I really love this gray color, and guys, let me tell you, the paintwork on this thing is absolutely perfect. Just look at this. This car is as shiny as it once was in a showroom. The tail light design is super beautiful. I really love the monolight. So nice. And here we go. Elite spec. This is the highest spec of Avante you can get, and it comes with some nice features. First, let's check out the boot space, and the boot space is absolutely massive. Just look at this. Can probably fit two of me inside here quite comfortably. Now let's close this. Behind, very spacious for a rear passenger. The leather seats are in fantastic condition. Black leather, easy to maintain, very beautiful. Of course, we have rear passenger aircon as well for the comfort of your passenger. And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful cabin. We have 4-spoke steering wheel, very nice, very modern, full leather, multifunctional. And guys, I'm not sure how the previous owner drives this car, because the leather is simply in perfect condition, like macam never touched before, really. Very beautiful speedometer cluster. What I also like, when you select different drive modes on this car, the speedometer cluster will change accordingly, and the designs are very beautiful. This car feels very premium, even like basic things like the signal light. I'm not sure if you can hear it through the camera, but it's very soft and feels very continental, very premium sound. We have your infotainment screen here, which is touchscreen. Of course, it comes with a reverse camera. Here we go, also with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and all that. Aircon controls are here, simple and intuitive. And have a look at these buttons. Guys, this car comes with heated and ventilated seats. How premium is that? More premium than your Mercedes-Benz S-Class or 7 Series. That are those of a lower spec. But excuse me, this car is like 2-3 times cheaper. Okay, this is your gear selector. Nice and traditional with a beautiful leather boot. I always like this in cars. Couple of cup holders. This is very comfortable for your elbow, and you even have a passenger handle as well. Very nice also. Both seats are fully electric, and driver's side even comes with memory. Also, this car has a comfort access, meaning before you go out, your chair will slide backward for you to easy exit your car. And of course, you also have a sunroof. Very nice. Alright guys, have another look. Also, just to take note, the protective film from the screen over here, you see, still haven't taken out. This one you buy, you can take out yourself and get this brand new car unwrapping experience. Alright guys, in terms of driving, this car is really very comfortable. It's got a lot of other safety features like lane assist and etc, blind spot and all the jazz. Okay, but the drive itself is really very nice. On COE, we still got 5 years and 2 months left. Plenty of time for you to enjoy. Viewing for this unit is available daily in our showroom, and condition is really view it to believe it. You all know what to do. Call me, and we'll give you a good deal.